This one's a little bit different, but somewhat the same. We've got an e to the 2x instead of just an x in front of the sine or cosine values. So for this one, we're also going to make a box. I'm going to use e 2x, so I'll take the derivative of that. That's going to be 2e to the 2x. And we'll take the derivative of that, and that will be 4e to the 2x. And then, so I start off with sine of 0.5x here. I need to integrate this so that I get to that. So what do? I have negative cosine of 0.5x, but I have to worry about that, so it's negative 2 times cosine of that. To get this as my deal, I will have to use negative 4 sine of 0.5x. All right, step 1, multiply these two together. So, and that's going to be positive, so I don't change the sign out front. So that means it's e to the 2x times negative 2 cosine of 0.5x. Right? The next one is going to be minus, and that is going to be 2e to the 2x times negative 4 sine of 0.5x. All right? And then we're going to subtract minus, this is v to u right here. So this is 4e to the 2x times this. So that is going to be 4e to the 2x. Well, it's actually, I'm sorry, I said it's minus, it's actually plus. The minus is here, 4 sine of 0.5x. And that negative will distribute out, but it'll be minus 16 of these e to the 2x, that's supposed to be x, sorry, sine of 0.5x. So now you see that there's 16 of these, and if you see that, looks exactly like this because it is. So I'm going to move these 16, I'm going to add this 16 over here of this, and that'll cross these two out. That'll negate that. So what I'll have on this side is going to be negative 2e, and I'm just multiplying these two, to the 2x cosine of 0.5x minus, oh, but I got another minus in there, so it plus 2e times 4 sine of this, so that's 8e to the 2x sine of 0.5x equals 17 of these dudes, right? I put 16 here, and I have to add 16 here. I started with 1, now I got 17. So I got that a little close. I'm just going to call it A. So I've got 17 of those guys called A, right? So now what I need to do is divide by 17 so that I can find out what the single value is of this. So what ends up happening is the integral for e to the 2x sine of 0.5x dx ends up equaling negative 2e to the 2x cosine of 0.5x plus 8e to the 2x sine of 0.5x, all divided by 17. There's your answer.